Hi everyone. In this video we will be seeing the specifications, features, price and colors of Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Welcome to our channel Tech Prime Info. The Realme X2 Pro Master Edition features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Dewdrop display. The smartphone is packed with 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, priced at Rs 34,999. This mobile comes in red brick and concrete colors. It has a quad rear camera that packs a 64MP ultra clear primary lens, 13MP telephoto lens, 8MP ultra wide angle lens and 2MP portrait lens. It has a 16MP AI front camera. It is backed by a 4000 mAh battery and powered by a 50-watt Super Vooc Flash Charger. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. The smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie OS based on ColorOS 6.1 UI. The X2 Pro Master Edition has an in-display fingerprint sensor to unlock smartphone. This mobile features a Vapour Cooling system. It boasts Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on its front and back. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Prime Info.